Bitcoin $90,000. What's going on out there? You want to know the last information? Of course, smash the like button. This is Crypto News. Rodrigo, Arnedo. This is crypto to the max. And we tried to sleep tonight, but it was almost impossible. We were turning and tossing just like these people. And why is that? Well, that's because, of course, Bitcoin is hitting $90,000. Here you have the chart for Bitcoin spot, but also in the futures, we were first. We were at 90,000 just time before we hit the exchanges. So you need to understand that maybe right now the CME futures goes ahead of Bitcoin spot. And right now you can see we have to move all the time this price tag. We are close to 91,000 as we speak. Death calling to those doors, $86,000. That was too fast, just stressed. We tried to help with the $90,000 door, but again, we are now calling to 91. And it's just not prices, but also we are calling different doors of different assets out there, like silver, like gold. And just now, Bitcoin is bigger than silver. This is so huge. You can see we are in the top 10 of assets in the world. Gold is number 1, but Bitcoin right now is number 8 and silver is number 10. We have to go now after Saudi Aramco, and they will be there with Amazon, Alphabet, Microsoft, Apple, and Nvidia, which is crazy. And what is Saudi Aramco? Well, those are those guys with a lot of oil, as you understand. But we will, and if you wanna find tools like this one to see where Bitcoin is settled, well, you can go to our website, findontheright.com, link in the description below, and there you have so many interesting sections for you. Like, for example, if you are a newbie, if you are a beginner, you have there Bitcoin and blockchain for beginners. Also, you have books that we recommend you to understand what's all about with Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Go there, find your tools, find everything. And now back to Bitcoin and the price. What might happen now? Well, consider this thought. In the 2013 bull run, it took 6 weeks of upside into price discovery before Bitcoin experienced any sort of deeper pullback. So 6 weeks. In 2017, 8 weeks. And in 2021, 4 weeks. So it's gonna be 4, it's gonna be 6, or is it gonna be 8? Right now you can see we are just in the second one. So we still have 2 more to go in case we are in the shorter one. In case we are in a longer period of time, well, maybe we'll be in the hundreds by December, as we predicted. That sounded crazy, but right now, not so much, right? Absolutely not. Any case, we'll see. We have to wait. Remember to smash the like button and watch all these videos. Movember is in the 25.59% rise right now. But if you compare the situation with previous bull runs, you can see that we kind of need to cool off a little bit before continuing. Just in 2015, we had this crazy November with the 19%, and we are higher now, and we had then this drop. So careful, because eventually we might have that at some point. Follow us in social media, because there we are giving you the highs that we hit all the time. It's fun. We have this fire every time that we hit a new all-time high. And it seems that soon enough we will run out of space for these fires. Najib Bukele, maybe this is not something you should say. I told you so. I told you so. But well, we understand how people feel. Also, here, Snoop Dogg wants to thank someone very special about his investments.
I want to thank me. I want to thank me for believing in me. I want to thank me for doing all this hard work. I want to thank me for having no days off. I want to thank me for never quitting. I want to thank me for always being a giver and trying to give more than I receive. I want to thank me for trying to do more right than wrong. I want to thank me for just being me at all times. Snoop Dogg, you a bad motherfucker, God.
He's so confident and he wants to thank himself. But any case, I want to congratulate you if you saw this in the past and went through all the way learning and having those crypto winters, everybody calling you crazy person. Well, congratulations on your thoughts, your ideas, and your dreams and following them. Consider that yesterday the spot Bitcoin ETF saw 1.12 billions on inflows, so institutions are buying like crazy. And we have now some rumors out there that the US government may buy to have 1 million Bitcoin over the next 5 years. That's 84 billion at current prices. Bitcoin might become the new strategic reserve asset of the United States if bill is passed. That would be crazy. As we told you in previous videos, Javier Bitcoin telling us here that balance of Bitcoin on exchanges is at an all-time low. Again, we have people that wants to buy, we have people that is not going to sell, so sure price might go up. Any case, just consider the opposite. Maybe everything goes to zero. This is volatile. This is crazy. Ethereum going up. It took us to 3,400. And the bubbles are like crazy in the green. You can follow all that, of course, with dextools.io, where you can see that Pepe, my lovely Pepe, is going up. And now I'm in profit again. I trusted it. How can I take that? Well, of course, with coin tracking, my portfolio tracker, link in the description below, with a 10% discount. You can see how green are the cryptocurrencies. Dogecoin rising in the last 24 hours, 47.5%. Some people believing it's going to explode maybe to $3, maybe to $23. And well, the chart seems that it might be possible. Why not? People supporting Dogecoin like this guy, so happy. And we told you about that in previous video. So watch all crypto news and you have the last information. The market is in the stream grid. We are in the 80 right now, and that's a good thing. And in the CME futures, now we're going to tell you about the bad things that might happen. So we calm the FOMO a little bit. And you can see that we have a gap in the 77,900. So maybe at some point we might go down. Bitcoin will probably close this gap in the future. I'm not expert. This is not a prediction. This is not financial advice, but might be it. Also remember that we have this gap on Ethereum. So Bitcoin at 77,900 and Ethereum around 2,900. It's a possibility that I have in mind. Consider also that dollar price keeps on going higher, which is not good. Asian markets went down today, which probably is not good. And BTC Andres told us about empty GOX and how they are moving money. So that might again give some panic to the market. Be careful out there. As panic will give us this piece of information. Allegedly, FTX is suing Binance and former CEO ZZ for a jaw-dropping 1.8 billion through all the disaster we had there. So, any case, remember, pullbacks happen along the way, and when buying the tops, it can hurt. So keep calm. Now is not the time to FOMO buy. This is what Stock Money Lizard says, and I believe that's a good piece of advice. Also, Elliot Trades telling us, well, what if Bitcoin simply rips through 100K and we don't see these prices again till 2026? Well, then you wait. You had all the time to buy in the past. Now you have to wait. Maybe you missed this opportunity. Then find the next one. Maybe this is not it. And also be careful out there right now. Everybody's trying to scam you so many different ways. We are going to talk about all of them in the show again, of course. But for example, now if you go to Firefly, if you want to see how your IOTA is doing, well, you will find an FTF like this one. This is a scam. Do not fail. You didn't win 2,000 IOTA whatsoever. So careful out there. Also consider some technical issues along the way. Maybe Coinbase will fall. Also, Ledger, they had an incident. You were trying to buy with your Ledger device and you were not able of doing so. They are not telling us why right now, but the good thing is that already is fixed, and you can you can now buy, sell, and transact with your ledger again. Of course, community was so mad about it, and Ledger gave us some alternatives. Remember that you don't have your crypto in your ledger, you don't have your crypto in your Trezor device. Okay, so Ledger wasn't working. We'll see why. You have Electrum to use it if you are in a hurry. You have MetaMask if you want to use RC20, etc., etc. And also, you have this statusledger.com website where you can see what's going on around it now with a technical issue with DYDX, for example. Again, crypto safety on findontheright.com. You can learn there about Trezor and Ledger and decide which one is best for you. If you buy them with the links in the description below or the links you'll find there, you help the channel. Thank you very much. And if you want to thank yourself, go to CLCRIPTO YouTube channel. There, Jesus Lorente will tell you everything about taxes and will advise about when to sell. Are you planning on selling? Should we sell in 2024 or should we sell in 2025? Well, he's gonna tell you in the last video. It's just 2 minutes, so convenient, so I'm not gonna play it. Just go there and watch it and learn what's the best option for you. And if you are new here, it's okay.
Wakey, 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 wakey.
We are here just to congratulate you for coming into the market, even though you might believe it's a little late. It's okay. We all had the first day, so come with us and start learning again with website Fun on the Right, for example, for beginners, or you can learn about AI with our other channel, Inteligencia Artificial, or you can watch the 2000 videos mostly we have here on Noticias Bitcoin, Rodrigo, Arnedo, Fun on the Right, Crypto News, health, money, love, party in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!